See, the issue of honey trapping and all other similar issues were discussed, proposed in the assembly yesterday. Complete detailed discussion was done, and the Home Minister gave an assurance on the floor of the House that he would initiate a very high-level inquiry. Then the things has to stop there. The issue is finished. There are other issues which are pending, which needs to be discussed, and which are issues of importance for the people of Karnataka. And BJP again raking up the same issue about honey trapping. If they want to disrupt the Chief Minister's reply on budget, if they don't want to discuss other issues which are pending in front of the House, so that means that these are deliberate attempts to unnecessarily create confusion and divert people's attention toward from the real issues.
But they are also saying that your MLAs also threw books at them and they didn't harm anyone. They wanted justice as to why is that 4% being passed without any discussion. Firstly, it was supposed to be honey trap and then later 4%.
See, government is ready to discuss every issue on the floor of the House. The 4% bill was tabled on the House last 3 days back, right? And from last 3 days it is pending. BJP had no intention to debate. Whenever the bill was taken up, BJP said, please postpone it. Right now, we'll take it at the last. We want to talk on that. So why didn't BJP allow us to take up debate on the 4% reservation to 2B category, right? And when the bill was taken up for voting, BJP created a ruckus. They went on the, podium near the speaker, through the bill, through the books, everything creates such a big ruckus. For what? Because you don't want category 2B to be included in the reservation for small contracts. We have given reservation for SC/ST communities for small contracts. We have given reservation for category 2A in the small contracts for other backward classes. Now we are extending that to category 2B. So we are a government which believes in social justice, which believes in empowerment of the lower strata of society, and we believes in inclusivity. That is what we have done, and we stand by that.
Amidst the